Here we are once again out in the bee yard in a snowstorm. We've only got a couple inches so far, but the Beehive Awning once again is keeping all that snow off the landing board and the openings clear. So winter circulation is keeping the bees alive and well. So here we go. There's about 3 inches of snow there on the awning, but nothing on the baseboard. And look at all that snow. Tons of snow. That's the same on all the hives right now. Stainless steel, hard as can be, never break, never damage, last as long as your hive.